Welcome to our channel, GIS Resources. Ever wondered how to transform your raw GPS data into pinpoint-accurate positions without spending a dime? Today, we're unveiling the top free online GPS post-processing services that can elevate your geospatial projects to the next level. Let's dive in. GPS post-processing is a technique used to refine raw satellite data, correcting errors caused by atmospheric conditions, satellite clock discrepancies, and other factors. This process is crucial for achieving centimeter-level accuracy in positional data, which is essential for applications such as surveying, mapping, and research. One standout method in post-processing is precise point positioning, or PPP. Unlike traditional differential techniques that require multiple receivers, PPP enables a single GPS receiver to achieve high accuracy by applying precise satellite orbit and clock corrections. This method simplifies data collection and reduces equipment needs. Now, let us explore some of the leading free online platforms that offer robust GPS post-processing capabilities. The link for each post-processing service is given in the description. First, we have AUSPOS by Geoscience Australia. This service allows users worldwide to upload dual-frequency GPS data in RINEX format. AUSPOS takes advantage of both the IGS stations network and the IGS product range, and works with data collected anywhere on Earth within minutes. It provides precise coordinates in both the geocentric datum of Australia and the International Terrestrial Reference Frame. It is important to note that AUSPOS provides a network solution, relative positioning, using a double different strategy. That is, AUSPOS doesn't use PPP technology. Next is Trimble Centerpoint RTX post-processing. This service offers global centimeter-level accuracy without the need for local base stations. By uploading your GNSS data, you receive precise positioning calculations, making it ideal for various geospatial applications. Next is the Canadian Spatial Reference System. Precise point positioning, or CSRS-PPP, is offered by Natural Resources Canada. It processes GNSS data to deliver enhanced positioning precision in both the Canadian Spatial Reference System and ITRF. Next is the Scripps Coordinate Update Tool, or SCOUT, developed by the Scripps Orbit and Permanent Array Center. Processes RINEX files to compute mean coordinates for specific sites. It utilizes ultra-rapid orbits, enabling near real-time data processing. Next is the Automatic Precise Positioning Service, or APPS, by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, applies advanced GPS positioning technology to estimate receiver positions, whether static or in motion. It supports RINEX files and leverages real-time GPS orbit and clock products for precise results. Next is the Online Positioning User Service, or OPUS, by NOAA, provides easy access to high-accuracy National Spatial Reference System coordinates. By uploading your GPS data, you receive positions consistent with other NSRS users, ensuring nationwide compatibility. Next is the GPS Analysis and Positioning Software, or GAPS, initially developed at the University of New Brunswick, offers precise point positioning and can estimate ionospheric delays, code biases, and more. It is a versatile tool for comprehensive GPS data analysis. Next is the Magic GNSS service can process static and kinematic GNSS data in RINEX format. By generating real-time orbits and clocks internally, it provides accurate positioning solutions for various applications. Lastly, we have the IBGE-PPP service, provided by the Brazilian Institute of Geography and Statistics. This tool offers an intuitive platform for post-processing GNSS data and is tailored for projects in South America and beyond. It is important to note that all these services require your GPS data to be in RINEX format. By utilizing these tools, you can achieve high-accuracy positioning for your geospatial projects without incurring additional costs. However, to optimize your data collection, understanding GPS frequencies like L1, L2, and L5 is essential. We've covered this in detail in our videos showing on the screen. Be sure to check them out for deeper insights. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your network. Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to explore our other videos for more geospatial insights. Thank you for watching.